Hi, this is John Burek with PC Mag. I'm here at Corsair Suite at CES 2025, and we're looking at the Frame 4000D modular PC case. We're going to get up close with this. There's a lot going on in this case. It's an evolution of the existing 4000D. Let's take a look. So you'll notice on the front of the Frame 4000D, Corsair has redesigned the front panel. It's got this sort of 3D wavy Y pattern going on here that's like nothing else I've seen out there. You'll also notice fans behind there. The fans are using what Corsair calls its InfiniRail system, which allows you to adjust them minutely to the position that you want exactly. And if you look inside the case, you can see the adjustment points. You'll notice that there's a plate here with a Y-shaped pattern on it. This is an optional accessory, like many of the parts of this case are, so you can have that cover up this portion of the case so you don't see the power supply, for instance. You can even customize the motherboard trays in this unit here. Let's take a look at those. So these are some samples of the motherboard trays that Corsair is going to be offering for the Frame 4000D. We've got sort of a nice hefty metal one there. We've got an acrylic one here with cable dining straps with Velcro. And we've got an industrial looking one over here. So you can theme your build out however you see fit. So those motherboard trays that we saw are prototypes. So is this front panel. We've got this nifty sort of wood theme here with it's got a little Corsair module on it that you can swap around and put in different places. So lots of different things you might be able to do with this case, depending on which of these things actually come to market. There's also a version of this with a side panel that has high airflow. That's over here. And we'll take a look at that. One other accessory is called the Xeneon Edge. Now, that's not a prototype. That's a real product. It's going to cost $249, and you can install it in the side of your Frame 4000D case in a special bezel that goes around the edge of this touchscreen monitor. So practically infinite options that you could do with the Frame 4000D case. Pricing on this case is going to be $94.99 with no fans, $99.99 with 3 non-RGB fans, and $109.99 with 3 RGB fans. So Frame 4000D modular case, super flexible sort of playground for your next PC build, and we're pretty jazzed about seeing it at Corsair's booth here. Thanks for watching.